If you've ever hit a wall with storage, this is what breaking through looks like. This is the Express 4 M2 Ultra, the fastest, compact, DIY NVMe RAID, period. We're talking about Thunderbolt 5 speeds up to 6,622 megabytes per second. That's fast enough for 12K RAW, 8K multicam, workflows that used to require a full rack of gear. But here's what's interesting. This isn't just fast, it's yours to customize. You choose the drives, you choose the capacity, and you can build a RAID. Up to 32 terabytes in a single enclosure. And if that's not enough, you can daisy chain multiple units. So your storage doesn't just keep up, it grows with you. And with dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, you're not sacrificing connectivity to get that speed. You've got one dedicated host port and another for daisy chaining additional devices. You can connect more storage, peripherals, even displays. Thermals are fully managed for you. The fan is temperature controlled, so it only turns on when you need it. It keeps things quiet during lighter workloads and then turns on when things heat up. Now, some cool bits and pieces you should know about this. First, there's a blue light on the front of the unit. You're not seeing here because it's turned off, but we've made that light pretty unintrusive. If you want a clean, completely distraction-free setup, just hold this button with a paperclip on the back to turn it on or off. And once you set it, it remembers, even after a restart. This unit is built for DITs on set, crushing multicam offloads in real time, for editors, colorists, VFX artists, all handling massive timelines without any lag. For anyone tired of waiting for their storage to catch up to their creativity, this is for you. Express 4 M2 Ultra, your drives, your RAID, powered by Thunderbolt 5. Check it out today.